So I would like to briefly introduce our institute, okay, which was founded in the year 2001 to impart present and futuristic knowledge of the aviation and other educational courses. We are a pioneer when it comes to the aviation industry, okay, and we offer a lot of aviation courses like aerospace engineering, aircraft maintenance engineering, cabin crew, ground staffing, hospitality courses, air ticketing, hotel management. Delivering quality education through competent and experienced pool of faculties with excellent infrastructure is the motto of Shastri Group of Institution, okay? And Wings Aviation and Hospitality is one of the group under Shastri Group of Institution. We have our own aircraft, helicopter, engines, avionics, and a lot of instruments and communication lab to support both the theoretical as well as the practical mode of education. Okay, our past success in shaping careers of the students from all walks of life gives us the strength and inspiration to touch even more dreams and help them fly higher. Now, today, this webinar itself is Dream, Believe, and Achieve. Okay, we all dream, right? One of the dream is something that we dream at night, and the other is something that we aspire for our future. Today, I want that our dreams should turn into reality because we should believe in it and we can achieve whatever we aspire. Can you all see my screen?
Yeah.
Today, we are here talking about the emerging career in aviation and hospitality. A lot of time we think about, when we think about a future, we normally, जैसा कि इंडिया में ट्रेंड है कि हम लोग किन करियर के बारे में पहले सोचते हैं, engineering, medical, okay, government jobs. But aviation in itself is also a great career which has immense opportunities for skilled manpower, and it has a lot of growth. Okay, before we start, we need to understand what is aviation. Okay, the flying or operating of an aircraft is basically what, in a very simple language, we can say aviation is. Okay, why is aviation important? Because it provides the only rapid worldwide transportation network, which makes it essential for global business. The aviation industry generates economic growth, creates jobs, and facilitates international trade and tourism. Indian aviation sector contributes 72 billion to our GDP. And we are further expecting investment worth 450 billion for airport infrastructure by 2023. It is a very sustainable and ever-growing industry with a very bright and prosperous future. Yeah. So what is the agenda of the webinar today? Our agenda is first to understand aviation industry, okay? जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि इसके growth and future prospects क्या हैं. Then obviously the career opportunities that we can explore in the aviation as well as the hospitality industry, and how we can help you with the courses that we offer. Now, what is the industry overview of the aviation industry? Okay, as I said, we contribute to the economic growth, okay, and we are expecting a huge investment for growth. It is a sustainable industry. Let me tell you that aviation in India is the fastest growing aviation market, okay. We, as of July 2018, there were nearly 620 aircrafts being operated by scheduled airline operators in India. The number of airplanes is expected to grow to 1,100 planes by 2027. To cater to the rising air traffic, the government of India has been working towards increasing the number of airports. And we can just say that, if you've heard, Udan करके एक scheme है, ठीक है, जो government ने launch किया है. Now, what is Udan? So, government of India initiated the Udan scheme, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, which was approved on 15th June 2016 by the Regional Airport Development Scheme of Government of India, with the objective of letting the common citizen of the country fly at an affordable price, and also with the objective of boosting the national economy, job market, and the air transport infrastructure development. Udan is jointly funded by the state and central government. So, the reason I'm talking about all this thing is कि आप लोग अगर किसी इंडस्ट्री के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए कि भाई ये इंडस्ट्री का फ्यूचर क्या है, इसमें ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट क्या है. So with all these discussion, we can be assured, we can be confident कि we are some. So इससे हमें समझ में आता है कि we are talking about a very and we are talking about an industry which definitely assures us a bright future. So what is the good news? अभी सब लोग थोड़े से परेशान हैं, हम सब लोग हैं ना, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में हैं, पिछले 2 महीने से घर में बैठे हुए हैं, स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हैं, हमारा रिजल्ट कब आएगा, हम आगे हमने जो भी सोचा था हम उसको कैसे आगे हम लेके जाएं. फिर अगर जितने भी लोग आज यहाँ पे हैं, आई एम श्योर कि आप हर किसी को कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेस्ट है about the aviation industry, but there would be a big question mark also in your mind at what is the growth of the industry, because you might read news that aviation industry, hospitality industry is bleeding, okay, उनको बहुत नुकसान हो गया है. लेकिन गुड न्यूज ये है कि एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जिसकी जरूरत हमेशा है. अगर हमें इकोनॉमी को ग्रो करना है तो एविएशन इंडस्ट्री को ग्रो करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि लोग बिना ट्रैवल किए अपने काम को एक्सपैंड नहीं कर सकते. और आप एग्जांपल देखो, इतने कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक में भी 25 मई से सारे एयरलाइंस ऑपरेट करना शुरू कर रहे हैं बाय टेकिंग दी प्रिकॉशंस एंड राइट मेजर्स. ओके, दैट शोज कि इस इंडस्ट्री की नीड और डिमांड कितनी है. तो इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि ये एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जिसका बाउंस बैक रेट बहुत फास्ट है. ओके, अभी आप देखो रिसेंट अनाउंसमेंट भी हुए हैं, okay, through the finance ministry, that there would be more world class airport through private players, efficient airspace management for civil aviation, and India will become the global hub for aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul. अगर हम दूसरा ग्राफ देखते हैं, so what is the growth expectations, आप ग्राफ देखिए 2018 में अगर हम 65 पे थे तो by 2040 where are we aiming to reach? Okay, in the domestic as well as the international market, क्योंकि अभी international में काफी market saturate हो चुके हैं when we talk about the aviation industry. Okay, but India has huge potential for growth. हमने aviation industry में downfall ये पहली बार नहीं आया है. This is not the first time that we see a downfall in the aviation industry. Like a couple of years back we had seen, in fact last year, Jet Airways. Okay, so this is an example that how we regained our strength even after Jet Airways collapse. Okay, so if you see the fleet of strength with Vistara right now is 32 planes. Okay, जिसमें से उन्होंने जेट के ही 9 एयरक्राफ्ट लिए. Okay, आप इंडिगो का अगर आप देखते हो, right now the strength is 244 planes. Okay, जेट का कोई भी नहीं लिया है. स्पाइस जेट ने मैक्सिमम जेट एयरवेज के एयरक्राफ्ट ले लिए, और जितने भी लोग जो अनएम्प्लॉयड हो गए थे बिकॉज ऑफ द जेट एयरवेज कोलैप्स आर टुडे ऑल वर्किंग विद सम और द अदर एयरलाइंस. Now the question comes, okay, we've understood that it is a great industry with a lot of potential growth. लेकिन जैसा कि हम सबके दिमाग में होता है, हाउ डू वी क्वालिफाई फॉर दीज जॉब्स? ओके, हाउ डू वी एंटर द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री? बिकॉज ये एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जिसके बारे में हमें बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं रहता है, या हम लाइक यू नो वी आर अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट इट, वी डोंट नो द राइट वे, कि हमें राइट रोड मैप नहीं दिखता है कि हम इनके लिए कैसे अप्लाई करें। ओके क्योंकि एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जिसमें हम हमेशा एक बहुत ज्यादा सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स देखते हैं, तो हमको थोड़ा सा एक डर रहता है कि शायद ये एक कॉमन मैन के लिए नहीं है। But let me tell you, each one of us can actually apply and be a part of this industry. The only need is that you need to have skills and the right combination. So you also need the right combination of training, knowledge, and industry exposure. And I'm sure that each one of us would agree to this. Okay, that without right training, knowledge, and industry exposure, we cannot proceed further. Now, Wings Aviation and Hospitality under Shastri Group of Institution offers few courses to help students make their dreams convert into reality and achieve them. Okay, so we, as I said, you know, we have been a part of the aviation. Some tell you that aviation industry में demand of people is always high and the supply is always less. So ये bridge को अगर हमें you know ये gap को अगर हमें fill up करना है, तो हमें candidate को right exposure, right training देनी पड़ेगी for the various courses options. Now today we at Wings Aviation and Hospitality, we offer 4 main important courses. The first one is Diploma in Cabin Crew and Hospitality. Okay, we'll talk about the courses highlights later on. Okay, let me first today explain you the courses. So now, Diploma in Cabin Crew and Hospitality Management. What is cabin crew? Okay, cabin crew is the in-flight services. आप जब अगर आप में से किसी लोग you know if any one of you has traveled by air, हम जब एक एरोप्लेन में, एक एयरक्राफ्ट में जब हम एंटर करते हैं, there are people who greet us, there are people who take care of us. Okay, and you know all the people जो in flight services का ध्यान रखते हैं are basically a part of the cabin crew, जिसमें 2 मेन चीजें होती हैं. For females we call them air hostess, and for males we call them stewards. Now cabin crew take care and are responsible for the safety and comfort of its passengers. Their duties include greeting passengers and providing special attention to the elderly and disabled passenger. Flight attendant, senior flight attendant, onboard chefs, all are part of cabin crew, responsible for the well-being of passengers during flight. Okay, now this is an overview of what we offer. Now, if I talk about the program outline, okay, we would teach every participant who comes to us in-flight services, safety and security, passenger and baggage handling, customer service, presentation and communication skills, grooming, and the entire operations of the airport. This is a 1-year program, okay, and the eligibility to join this program is you need to complete your 12th. You can complete your 12th from any stream. आप science से हो सकते हो, आप commerce से हो सकते हो, arts से हो सकते हो. Okay, that is not a problem. So उसके अलावा हम जब एयर होस्टेस एंड स्टीवर्ड्स की बात करते हैं, तो कुछ क्राइटेरियाज हैं यू नो जिन पे बेसिकली एक कैंडिडेट क्वालिफाई कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है, वो डिपेंड करता है. ओके, सो what is the most important thing? You need to be presentable, okay, and you need to be a people's person. Basically जिनको air hostess या stewards बनना है, they should enjoy traveling, they should enjoy talking to people and meeting new people. Okay, so that you know when you enjoy your job, you basically don't work, you then enjoy the entire process of working. Okay, Your age should be anywhere between 18 to 24.
I hope your mic is in mute.
Years old, height 3, 4, 5, 2 height के candidates को भी accept करता है. Okay, and for male we say that 5, 6 feet and above is the basic criteria. Your weight should be in proportion to your height. That is, you need to have a balanced personality. Am I audible, everyone? I just read that my voice is not clear.
Voice clear, ma'am.
Somebody. Okay, Om sir, Anil sir, am I clear?
And your voice is clear, just that in between sometimes it's getting breaked up. So now it's clear. You can continue.
It's clear now, right? Okay.
There seems to be some technical issue in general. So participants are requested to please be little patient and connected. And in case you have any doubt which is not clarified, please post your question on the chat so that we can get connected to you on one-to-one basis also.
Yeah, I'm extremely sorry. There are some technical glitches which is not in my hand. I still would try to be clear and audible enough to everyone. Okay, so I was talking about the criteria in order to be an air hostess or a steward. So as I said, you need to be 12 pass from any stream. The age should be anywhere between 18 to 24. Height for females 5'2", 5'3" and above, and for males 5'6" feet and above. Weight in proportion to the height. Good eyesight. You should not have specs, which is very, very important. Okay. No tattoo on any of the visible body part. Okay. And yes, you need to be a good communicator and proficient with the language English. Now, what are the job roles that you can apply for once you do this course? You can apply to be a part of the cabin crew. Okay, that is the air hostess, stewards, in-flight services, and security, passenger handling, customer service, and also baggage handling. Now, with this, we come to the next course that we have. The next course that we cater to for the aviation industry is airport management and ground staffing. Okay. Now, what is in-flight services? जिसके बारे में अभी हमने बात किया. जब आप उड़ते हो, the services that is offered to the customers when they are flying. Okay. But then ground staffing and airport management is the services and support that you get when you enter the airport. Because we should understand that air travel is not like normal travel by bus or road. Okay, so ground staffing क्या होता है? Ground staffing or ground crew work in the aviation industry where they are engaged in various roles. You know, airport में जो अलग-अलग तरह के roles होते हैं, उसमें वो अपने आप को they can qualify to be a part of those jobs. Airport management और ground staffing में भी आपको अपने passengers का comfort, safety and security का ध्यान रखना है, जैसे कि checking करते हैं, baggage करते हैं, okay, providing information, जो भी एक general queries होते हैं, बहुत बार first time flyers होते हैं, उनको नहीं पता होता है कि कैसे करना है, काफी लोग confused हो जाते हैं, हमारा सामान हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं है, so वो सारी चीजों में उनको cater करना, जो डिसेबल्ड होते हैं, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड होते हैं, उनको सही तरीके से सर्विस देना, कंफर्मिंग रिजर्वेशन, सेलिंग टिकट्स, कार्गो, सो ये सारे जो जॉब प्रोफाइल्स हैं, दिस कम्स अंडर ग्राउंड स्टाफिंग एंड एयरपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट. प्रोग्राम आउटलाइन आपके लिए दिया हुआ है, wherein we train you about the aviation and airport operations, low trim cargo. Okay, and you can just go on, you can just read it. Now the duration for this course is also 1 year. Okay, however iski eligibility में slightly difference है. For cabin crew management, to enter the airport as one of the manager role, you need to be a graduate. Okay, graduate in any stream. आपका ग्रेजुएशन चाहे आर्ट्स से हुआ हो, साइंस से हुआ हो, कॉमर्स से हुआ हो, आप इंजीनियरिंग ड्रॉप आउट हो सकते हो, डिप्लोमा होल्डर हो सकते हो, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल ओके. However, the age criteria here is 21 to 28 years old. Okay, weight in proportion to the height, and you also need to be a good communicator. Okay, now I'm sorry. Okay, so as we say, the aviation industry may, no matter which job you apply for, what is really important is you need to be a presentable candidate. Okay, you need to have good communication skills. You should have the ability, लोगों से बात करना आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए, लोगों से कनेक्ट होना चाहिए. ओके, और ये सारी चीजों का ख्याल हम रखते हैं जब भी हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं और हमारे पास एनरोल करते हैं. हम ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि इवन अगर आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है, हम आपको इंग्लिश सिखाते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन सिखाते हैं, ओवरकम करके अपने ड्रीम्स को अचीव कर सके. अब ये ग्राउंड स्टाफिंग और एयरपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट में क्या क्या जॉब रोल्स होते हैं. ओके, तो अगर आप देखोगे, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर एज अ कार्गो ऑफिसर, सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर, गेस्ट रिलेशन मैनेजर, फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट, ग्राउंड क्रू, ग्राउंड सपोर्ट ऑपरेशंस में जो भी लगते हैं, airline operations में जो भी लगते हैं. So we have a lot of job opportunities even for this. And aviation में ही एक और बहुत high demand job है, that is air ticketing and travel management. Okay, now air ticketing representatives are responsible for handling tickets, reservation, cancellation, alterations and informing customers when a flight has been delayed or cancelled. ठीक है, so this is, आप ये बोल सकते हो कि ये फर्स्ट टाइम जो कनेक्ट होता है एक एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में, तो आपका एक एयर टिकटिंग एजेंट या ट्रैवल मैनेजमेंट से ही कनेक्ट होता है. ओके, आपका प्रोग्राम आउटलाइन क्या है इसमें? टू कंस्ट्रक्ट फेयर्स और वेरियस ट्रैफिक कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द एबिलिटी टू इशू टिकट्स, presentation and communication skills, calculations hone chahiye, you should be good with calculations and we train you for that, customer service, everything. Now the duration for this course is 6 months and you should be a 12th pass in order to pursue this course. Age can be anywhere between 18 to 28 years. Weight in proportion to height, again presentable hona chahiye, and you should be proficient with the language English. Now, what are the job roles after deployed by a lot of people? It is a very, very demanding career. You can be employed by airlines, bus companies, railroads, cruise liners. There are immense opportunities even in this field. So even the ones who want to do ground staffing, पर अगर आपका ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, आप फिर भी ग्राउंड स्टाफिंग एंड एयरपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हो. इनिशियली आपका जब तक ग्रेजुएशन नहीं होता है, ओके, आप एयर टिकटिंग एजेंट की तरह काम कर सकते हैं, और लेटर ऑन वंस यू कंप्लीट योर ग्रेजुएशन यू कैन डायरेक्टली गेट इनटू द ग्राउंड स्टाफिंग एंड मैनेजरियल रोल. So that was about the aviation short-term courses, which can make you an employable candidate in a span of 6 months to 1 year with the right training and grooming. सही ट्रेनिंग और सही ग्रूमिंग के साथ आप 6 महीने से साल भर के अंदर एक employable candidate बन सकते हैं. Okay, wherein आप the salary that you would earn would be the best in the industry. लेकिन जब हम एविएशन की बात करते हैं, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, व्हाट इज हॉस्पिटैलिटी? हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज बेसिकली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर गेस्ट एंड एंटिसिपेटिंग देयर नीड्स. ओके, अगर हम हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री की बात करें तो इसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा ग्रोथ है, ठीक है। At present, the hospitality industry is basically called as the sunrise industry, जिसका मतलब है कि बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है इस इंडस्ट्री में, okay? It is considered as one of the most profitable industries, which accounts for over 8.78% of the total workforce, creating almost 15 million jobs in the past 5 years. ओके और इंडिया के पास बहुत एडवांटेजेस हैं, ओके। बाय 2029 India's tourism sector is expected to reach 35 trillion. That is quite a number. International tourism is expected to grow rapidly. क्यों? क्योंकि इंडिया के पास बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन हैं, हमारे पास जो एक डाइवर्सिटी है, let's say we have the best and attractive beaches, we have awesome hill stations, heritage sites, we have history, so we have a lot of reasons जिसकी वजह से हमारे यहाँ पे travel and tourism बढ़ने का बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है, जिससे हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री डेफिनेटली ग्रो करने वाली है। At present, the hospitality industry in India is considered, it's considered an industry which has immense scope. Okay, it has created almost 15 million jobs in the last 5 years. Students, 5 years में 15 million jobs, okay? तो आप ये अंदाजा लगा लो कि आने वाले सालों में हमको और कितनी employability मिल सकती है इस इंडस्ट्री से, okay? उसके साथ ही the good news is कि गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, ठीक है, इंडिया का राइजिंग इनकम, ये सारी चीजें सपोर्ट करती हैं हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री को। India is currently the 10th largest business travel market globally. Okay, so immense scope, one of the best career opportunities that we can have. Okay. Now we offer hospitality, travel and customer service, जिसको आप simple language में hotel management भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? This is a 1-year program, or the eligibility to join this program is you need to be a 12th pass in any stream, okay? So minimum qualification है कि आप 12th pass हो। Program outline क्या है? जब हम hospitality की बात करते हैं, we give you complete overview and orientation of this industry. हम आपको food and beverage section के बारे में बताते हैं, housekeeping बताते हैं, front office बताते हैं, travel and tourism बताते हैं, okay? So we train you on the overall aspects, fares and ticketing, computer reservation system, okay, presentation, grooming, ये तो by default आता ही है hospitality and aviation में. So these are all the skills that we would provide you with so that you can excel in this area. Hospitality course करने के बाद you are eligible to join both the airlines as well as the hotel industry. Okay, let me tell you that aviation industry में they always prefer people अगर उनका hospitality का background है. Okay, you will have n number of opportunities. Hotels की अगर हम बात करें, you can work in the operation department, front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, accounts, sales, public relations, a lot of them. Okay, you can also be a part of the airline industry, like ground staffing में आप कर सकते हो, ticketing counter join कर सकते हो, and you can also apply for air hostesses and stewards. So with this, we now would like to tell you that all these 4 courses that we have discussed are right now hotcakes. इनकी बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड है। आप जैसे देख रहे हो अभी ये पूरे कोविड-19 में हम क्या देख रहे हैं, फ्रंट लाइन पीपल हम बोलते हैं, किनको बोल रहे हैं हम? डॉक्टर्स को बोल रहे हैं, पुलिस वालों को बोल रहे हैं, है ना, जो क्लीनिंग वाले लोग हैं, इनको हम फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स बोल रहे हैं। उसी तरह से अभी हमने जिन कोर्सेज के बारे में बात किया है, ये एविएशन एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स हैं। इन करियर जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, इसके बिना एक एविएशन इंडस्ट्री कभी भी स्मूथली फंक्शन नहीं कर सकती है. ओके, हाउएवर व्हाट is the basic need? We need to be presentable. We need to work on our skills. Okay, now let me also tell you कि ये skills पे काम करने के अलावा how do we make you different? Okay, how can I make you different? If you come to Wings आपको क्या देगा? See the courses highlights. We have tie-up with major airlines for placements, and we give 100% placement assistance. आपने VLCC का नाम सुना होगा, okay, which is famous. They are our makeover and grooming partner. हर एक, जैसे कि हमने बोला, इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के लिए आपको प्रेजेंटेबल होना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, सो वी हैव अ टाई अप विद VLCC, जहां पे आपका वर्कशॉप हम वहां पे कंडक्ट कराते हैं. दे ट्रेन यू ऑन हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, राइट फ्रॉम मेकअप टू डे टू डे सेल्फ केयर. आपको VLCC का भी सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है. ओके, हर एक जो हमने कोर्स बात किया उसमें ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, और इसीलिए हम आपको गैलीलियो का सर्टिफिकेशन कराते हैं, जो कि इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन है. इस सर्टिफिकेशन के बाद आपके चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग अ गुड जॉब इज रियली वेरी हाई. ओके, वी हैव आवर ओन एयरक्राफ्ट फॉर इन हाउस प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग. ओके, अब इंटर्नशिप, एज वी नो दैट ये एक प्रैक्टिकल कोर्स भी है. ओके, थ्योरी के साथ साथ आपको जब तक राइट एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलेगा, you would not be able to understand this industry, and that is where internship plays a very important role to give you the practical exposure and overview of what you are getting into. Let me tell you that we can very proudly say that we have a tie-up with the best in the industry when we talk about internships. Hotel industries may you name the 5-star hotels like ITC and Marriott. These are just names, you know. ऐसे बहुत सारे hotels के साथ the list is endless. हमारा tie up है और हमारे students इन hotels में अपना internship करते हैं. Okay, GMR के साथ हमारा tie up है. आप लोगों ने अगर रन उत्सव का have a tie up with रन उत्सव, जहाँ पे हमारा student वहां पे जाके अपना इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं, एंड इन द एंड दे वुड गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट इन एसोसिएशन विद गुजरात टूरिज्म. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि वो सर्टिफिकेशन का इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा. द वॉल्यूम दैट इट विल गिव टू योर करियर, द बूस्ट दैट इट विल गिव इज इमेंस. We also organize regular airport and hotel visits so that you understand this industry. और आपको theoretically जो भी पढ़ाया जाता है classroom में, आप उसका practical exposure you can link it when you go there. जैसा कि हमने कहा हमारे पास खुद का aircraft है, तो हमको एक mock session देने के लिए we don't have to create anything. We take you to a live aircraft and we show you how to work and function. And let me tell you, none institute has these facilities. I can very confidently say this. So that is what makes us different. Okay, then we also understand कि a lot of students vernacular background से आते हैं. जैसे कि अभी मैं chat में भी कुछ देख रही हूँ कि कुछ लोगों ने बोला है कि मेरी English उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. ठीक है, we take care of that also. We have faculties जो आपको right from the scratch स्पीकिंग स्किल्स सिखाते हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स सिखाते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग करते हैं. Okay, I myself take a lot of classes and I have an experience of 16 years when it comes to soft skills and communication. So, we ensure that हम हर candidate को, हर student को best दे. Okay, so these are the highlights that we have. We are very sure about how we can, let's say, do a complete makeover of our students. Okay, so, and we have a history of our students who are successfully working with leading airlines and travel companies. So I would like to say that if you find this career interesting, okay, we are open for admission for the academic year 2021. A lot of you might have question कि अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, तो अभी एडमिशन कैसे लें, हम कैसे आगे बढ़ें. So let me tell you, जैसे कि एक बहुत फेमस कोट है, the show must go on, you know, so we cannot sit at home. हम घर पे नहीं बैठ सकते हैं कि लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तब करेंगे. You know, we have our plans. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी आज इतनी एडवांस हो गई है, जैसे कि आज हम ये वेबिनार करके आप लोग के साथ कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. सो इनिशियली जब तक गवर्नमेंट अलाउ नहीं करता है, okay, live classroom sessions का, we will come up with online training sessions जिसमें हम आपका induction कराएंगे, orientation कराएंगे, and at least we can start working on communication and other things and the basic things, and probably we are very sure by August September we all can resume back to our normal life. अभी भी काफी हद तक हम normal हो चुके हैं, okay, and we will take it further. In case, you know, we are following all the COVID-19 guidelines given by the state and the central government. Okay, we've started our operations now, and we want all the people who are interested to please, you know, you can come and visit us also. If you want, you can visit us in our college. We are maintaining all the social distancing norms. हम सारे security का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. आप हमारे साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हो कॉल पे, वेबिनार पे, 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग हम कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट, यू कैन आल्सो विजिट आवर वेबसाइट फॉर मोर डिटेल्स, व्हिच इज www.wings.com. okay, so with this I am ending our session. We also have a discount for all the people who would join us. You know, we call them early bird. So if you join by let's say the first week of June, you would get a 15% discount on the tuition fee. Okay, so with this I end my session now, and we can move to the question and answer.